Welcome students in BA part first. As you know that we were reading second paper of BA part first, and in second paper we have some chapters including essays, stories and a single novel. In our last video we have discussed the introductory part of studies, and then we have also completed starting to paragraph of essay. Today we just start its last paragraph and hope to finish the essay today. As we discussed that of studies is very short in its design, but I am repeating the sense of the lines given by Bacon is very useful as well as educational. Briefly, I am repeating the sense till we read now. That is, basically he speaks about the use of study. He also speaks about the types of readers. We also discussed about the types of books. We also discussed about reading, speaking and writing skills of education and language. Bacon speaks about reading, speaking and writing. Although listening is fourth part of communication language skills. But what we are discussing here, we just discussed here only the ideas that was given by Bacon. Bacon presents about three different types of the skills of language. Then we have discussed about different subjects and their features. These are the basic conceptions. These are the 5 basic conceptions which we have completed till now. Means these are the basic fundamental pillars of this essay. The essay just stands on these. Everything must be clear in mind. It is not important how fast we complete the essay. It is not important. The thing that is important is the seriousness and deepness of knowledge and text. The ideas given by Bacon, the thoughts of Bacon, the conceptions related to education and study given by Bacon, and all these types of the fundamental use, misuse, features of subjects, different type of education. We can make a link and combination, a link and proper combination with our present educational system, and then try to search out why Bacon is considered as the great crusader. The reason is clearly seen here. The thoughts and ideas given by Bacon before 500 years ago are very justified, are very applicable, are very useful, and they have their proper significance today. This is the basic feature of a writer, and a writer must have these type of the features, that their thoughts should not be bounded in particular era, particular ages. It should be spread, it should be well connected and well linked with all eras, with all ages. Here, the name of Bacon comes on the top because his ideas are justified today, they are very applicable today, and we very normally accept it that yes, Bacon's views are very need to applicable. They just adopted today because the system of our education is now become something different. The ideas given by Bacon was very different. Why we are reading today, there is mentality in maximum people. We are not discussing about everyone, but there is the mentality. Everyone wants to get job. Everyone wants to get a proper type of their reputation and status. And the education and study connected with your reputation and connected with your money, connected with your power and with job. Now it becomes the objective of education and study at present time. You wonder that in which direction our education is going. What is the position of our education today? That we read not to acquire knowledge basically, but we read to acquire, to obtain a job. So we must make a relationship with the use of study at that time or at present time. Surely we found difference, and this is the difference that must be recovered, and it is not recovered manually. Our psychology and mentality must be changed. Only our psychology and changing mentality can improve this type of the gap. That's why no matter, even we just have discussed about these 5 topics. The use of study, then we discussed about 3 basic use of study. The 3 basic use of study you know very well. Study serve for delight, ornament and ability. I am repeating again and again so that it fixes up in your mind permanently. Study serve for delight, ornament and ability. At the time when we discussed about the type of readers, we just discussed about 3 types of the readers. First reader is they are very cunning readers. They are very sharp reader. They are very clever reader. They use study for misuse. They read study for misuse. Second type of the reader are very simple reader. They read, neither they use it nor they misuse it. They are stable in position. They admire that yes, study is a good thing and we must study. Third type of the reader that was presented by Bacon is very, you can say, wise reader. Third type of the reader are very wise reader. First type of the reader, we know that they are very cunning reader. And second type of the reader are very simple readers. So there are 3 basic type of the readers that was presented by Bacon. First type of the reader, they read, they get education for misuse. Second are very simple reader, they read study, neither they are using it or nor they misuse it. Third, wise reader. Wise reader is the most supreme learner. How? Because they read study. How they read, that is another matter. But they read study for the improvement of their personality. They read study, not only read study, but also adopt it inside. They also adopt the study, the education inside. These are the basic fundamental need of education. That whatever we read, we must adopt it in our life because it improves, it recovers our personality. Personality not depends upon your dresses or your style or your structure. It clearly seen in your language, in your skill of dialogues, in your communication, in your transmission or your education. Your study makes the personality. Another, that is the type of books. Here Bacon also discussed about 3 types of books. You know it very well. The first is that is textbooks. Bacon presents the categories of different type of the books with a connection of our food. I am repeating again. First type of the food, we take just one single bite and gives the conclusion, the result about that particular food. means your single bite. It's the decision making. He decides the complete result. Okay. Second type of the book is swallow. Swallow, इसका मतलब we just read about fasting. Swallow means taking fasting, जल्दी जल्दी निकलना. So these are also connected with the food, that we just take bite by bite, bite then bite, bite then bite, and anyhow finish the food. We have not any matter about its digestion. We have not any matter about its utilization, about its duration. We are not thinking about it. Anyhow, this is our objective to finish it as soon as possible. These are the second type of book. We just start to read its first paragraph until last. We read it non-stop without any breakdown, because our mission is not for its sense and deepness. Our objective is not related to its deep ideas and thoughts. Our objective is not to search out the motto, but what our ideas is. What is our objective there to read? Only to finish it. Anyhow, as fast as soon, we must finish it. This is our idea. And this is the reason that these types of the book are swallowed. They only be taken fast. And the third type of the book, that is digested. Digested we are just right because it is the type of food, as we comparing our type of books with the food. A digestible book, that we just take it properly. We take one single bite, then particular with the suitable process, we just marinate, and then we take it inside. Take a proper process, a proper digestion, and take a proper test of every bite. Take a proper interest in every bite. We have the long time to be required there, but this is the real way to read. There is full attention, full curiosity, complete analysis skill, and only then we can adopt, we can understand every part of the essay, every part of the book clearly. Or this is the best way of reading. This is not the way that read fast without any attention. We must read with a clear keen mind, a positive sense, and with full attention. Same as we take the diet, we take the food with a proper sense, with a proper digestion. Next part that was presented by Bacon. Bacon speaks about reading, speaking and writing. Reading, speaking and writing. He says about its different type of the feature, and then says that what the reading makes us. Reading makes a man perfect. यहाँ पे usually that is for personality. That is using for personality. Speaking is using for comfort. Means here that is man is your communication skill. और यहाँ पे that is meant to be a good writer. So these are the basic feature. These are the basic branch of education in which Bacon basically says about three different type of part of language. He says that the habit of reading makes us a clear-cut personality. Our personality depends very good. It makes us a good personality. We are a perfect. यहाँ पे तो full लिखा है. Reading makes a man full is used for complete human sense. Using for the task by which we are coming here. What are the objective of life? How to live? How to pass the time? All these are the part of personality. And if we read more and more and more, then we acquire every type of the knowledge related to it. Then we can get every type of the conception related to it. Study makes a man perfect. That is the second matter that is presented by Bacon is related to speaking power. Speaking is necessary for our communication skill, for our present wit. Bacon used the word that is present wit. present wit is a normal way of knowledge or the level of mind. It is using the connection of wiseness here. And then Bacon says that the speaking power can make us very present with Hazir Jawab, taking decision immediately. We can take decision immediately. How? If we have the power of speech. The power of speech makes a man's personality very attractive, very impressive. How? Because he can be able to speak on any matter. What you are speaking, what you know, what we know, what is the knowledge inside us, that is not important. That is not important what you know, what I know, what everyone knows. That is not important. The thing that is important, on a particular time, on a particular location, on a particular episode, on a particular happening, what and how you can express your knowledge. That is your basic treasure of knowledge. That is your basic skill of communication. That is your fundamental task of decision making. That on a proper location or a proper time, what you speak, that is your ability. Your ability is not hidden inside. Try to catch it outside. Try to give it outside. What you know, that is not important. But how you can express at a desired time or a desired location, that is important. So knowledge is important at that time when we have given any time of the opportunity, any type of the chance to express our ideas. We must show our ideas at particular task or the particular opportunity. That is our knowledge. What we thinking inside alone in our mind. We have various thoughts in our mind alone. But when there is the time to express these thoughts, but when there is the time you found an opportunity to express such your ideas and talents, if you are absent there, what is the use of your education? What is the use of our study? Try to use your knowledge at a proper time. This is the time when there is the need to express our thoughts, there is the need to express our ideas. Next, writing. For writing an exact man. Writing के लिए Bacon use the word exact man. We can be a good writer. Here, the sense is related with the writing, means a good writer. If we have the habit to write, these three are the different type of the branch. We should try to be similar in all. Someone are very good in reading, but they are very weak in speaking. They are very weak in writing. Someone are very good in writing, but very loose to speaking, but they are very weak to reading. So these are the different level of education, different branch of study. Bacon says that these three have their particular importance every time, on every location. So we must make a balance that we can speak, we can read, and we can write properly. These three can make a complete personality. These three are the good combination of personality. These three. You can divide it in chart also. What the personality is, if you have a good sense of reading, if you have a good sense of speaking, and you know to write well, that is, you have a good personality. Because writing can make you a great writer, speaking can make your communication skill, you can be a present wit and a decision maker. So everything that is here in speaking and reading means your complete personality, your complete outlook. Then Bacon decides about different subjects and their use. In different type of the subject, Bacon speaks about different type of the subjects also. And in different type of the subjects, what he basically speaks about 2 or 3 subjects, and these 2 or 3 subjects are very important. That was told by Bacon. At this time, he says about history, and then says that wise. Second, he says about poetry, and then he says witty. Maths, then he says sharp. Philosophy, We are discussing here a core natural philosophy is part of then history, poetry, maths, philosophy. These are the basic subjects, and there are various types of the subjects available. All these subjects have their different tasks, their different quality. But anyhow, Bacon narrates that study have a different type of the branches, different type of the tools, different type of the parts. But there are some type of the subject which is need to mention by Bacon. Then he says that the reading of history can make us very wise because history depends upon incidents, happenings, time durations, ages, era. So we have just to keep in our mind everything about the rural, medieval, and then modern. All these are various types of the time margin and time gap. So we just be some type of the wise person if we read history. Poetry, Bacon says it is very witty. Witty is the use of wit. It is the level of wiseness. It is the level of a capacity to achieve by the brain and the mind. Poem. Whenever we read poem, you can understand poetry is something being a part of our literature. What the poetry is? Poetry is the combination. It is the collection of the thoughts, emotions, and ideas given by the poet. How it can make us witty? We complete it in the sense of our literature. Poetry, poem is not only read for an entertainment, is not only read for the enjoyment, but the thing that is important in poetry, you must acquire the same length, the same ideas, the same level, and the same capacity of mind written by its poet. It is not important what the meaning given in line. It is not important what is the word given in line. The thing that is important, make a combination of that word with the mind of poet. What its clear translation is, that is not important in poem. Whenever you read poem, you must attach your ideas, your mentality to the ideas and mentality of poem. What the proper meaning of word that was given in the text of poem is not important. So what is important? Important is to search out the maximum knowledge or the maximum sensibility, the maximum psychological mentality of poet. How poet use this word here? What may be the idea of poet there? You make a combination, a link. That is a proper way of reading poetry. It is not the way or the style to read poetry with its translation. Translation have their various types of things. But at the time of poetry, we never translated. Translated in prose. Poetry always be explained. Or explanation deals with the mind. It deals with the thoughts. It deals with the emotions and psychological mentality. To try to understand it, so Bacon says that poetry makes witty. Witty is the level of your consideration of mind. It is the level of your consideration of mind. Everything there is related to math sharp. As we know that it is the subject of calculation. So calculation they need the great memory. So this is the automatic truth that the study of maths makes us sharp, very teeth, thicker, because this is the natural truth about math. Philosophy, serious ending, we know it serious ending. थोड़ा सा गंभीर गहरा बनता है. Philosophy as the subject says, as the meaning of subject says, that philosophy makes us very deep. So these are the basic subjects told by Bacon of studies. After finishing these basic summary, we just start to read the next part, or that is the last part of essay. In last part, which we will start it the next video, Bacon speaks about the remedy of mind. There are various types of the defect created in mind and how to improve the defect of mind with the use of study. How to recover and how to remove the defect of mind with the use of study. We just start the last part in our next video. Thank you.